Seeking a way to strengthen your core and build stability? Welcome to a new episode of our Empowering Yoga series. Today, we're diving into a power yoga session designed to sculpt your abs, fortify your core, and enhance your stability. I'm your guide on this journey to inner strength and balance. Let's warm up by finding a comfortable seat on our mats. Plant your sit bones, elongate your spine, and start connecting with your breath. Close your eyes, lay your hands gently on your belly. Breathe deeply. Feel your abdomen rise with each inhalation and fall with each exhalation. Let this rhythmical dance of breath soothe your mind, release tension, and anchor you in the present moment. As we prepare to engage in some dynamic movements, remember to maintain this connection with your breath. It's your anchor throughout the practice. Now that you've grounded yourself, prepare to engage your core with some dynamic movements. Starting in a high plank position, draw your navel in towards your spine, engage your glutes, and maintain a strong, straight line from your head to your heels. This is the foundation of our core activation. Now let's add some dynamic movements. Try some plank variations like knee to elbow crunches or mountain climbers. These movements not only engage your core, but also bring your attention to your stability and control. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about the connection between your body and your breath. Embrace the burn. That's your core saying hello. Now let's switch things up with some side planks. Feel the strength in your obliques as you lift your body off the ground. Keep your body in a straight line and remember to breathe. As you've activated your core, it's time to transition into standing poses to further challenge our strength. Remember, your core is your powerhouse, and it's just the beginning of our practice. Transitioning into standing poses will continue to challenge our core strength while also building stability and balance. Stand tall, root yourself firmly into the ground, and let's begin with the Warrior II pose. Feel your core working as you hold the pose, and remember to keep your breath steady. Moving on, let's shift into the chair pose. Feel your muscles engage, particularly your abs and glutes. Maintain a straight back and a strong core, just as if you're sitting on an invisible chair. Now let's take it up a notch with some balancing poses. Starting with tree pose, balance on one foot while the other foot rests on your inner thigh or calf. Use your core to stabilize your body. It's the center of your balance. Lastly, we'll flow into boat pose, a powerful pose that truly tests your core strength and balance. Having challenged your balance, let's wind down with a cool down sequence. As we wind down our practice, let's take a few moments to stretch out the muscles we've worked and release any remaining tension in the body. Find a comfortable seated or lying position and close your eyes. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath, the calming rhythm of your heartbeat. Let your body melt into the mat, surrendering into the earth beneath you. With each exhale, release any tightness, any discomfort. Let go of the effort, the striving. This is a time for rest, for rejuvenation. Visualize your body bathed in a warm, healing light, washing away any residual stress. Bask in the glow of your accomplishment, the strength you've displayed, the resilience you've upheld. Thank you for joining me today for this core strengthening power yoga practice. Your dedication to strength and stability is inspiring. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more yoga videos and wellness content. Until next time, namaste.